Listen, y'all can have those other love languages. You want to know what my love language is? Food. I love questions like, can I cook for you? Have you eaten? Can I feed you? Can I bring...
Hey foodies, without further ado, without no hesitation, let's get straight into the video. In today's video, we'll be making the ultimate Bella's green clean. I'm doing this my way. Now stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope you guys watch, enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.
I want a dude with the wickedest slang.
You want a proper fit? Call me. You want to get your fix? Call me. You want the cheese tricks? Call me.
Baby, who cares? I know you care. Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Speak to me. Your body like it. Speak to me. I don't know what you do. Speak to me. Your body like it.
In the end, done.
I'm just showing you guys my ingredients as I cut them up to get them blended. Now, for those of you who don't know, the green juice is very good for your gut health. It strengthens the immune system, reduces inflammation, and improves your skin health and keeps you hydrated. There are so many benefits behind this drink, so you can try this at home.
I'm better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side. Cutting all ties. With them all the guys. Where you in my eyes. Loving me nice and slow.
Here I am straining the juice because I don't have a juicer or a juice extractor as yet, so I have to use my strainer to ensure that it's smooth and refreshing.
You wanna come, call her up, just to put it down on you. Yeah, made me wanna be clear. All of the things that you let me with. Tell me what you wanna do. I get by my knees for you. I'ma see you fight on it. This is what I really used to.
Anything happens between us, be sure you 10 toes down before I pull out the car. The only thing that's coming beside me at the situation is you waiting to get some more. I told you I'ma take your place. I seen it in your face, and I knew that you would say it. So how you wanna play this? Yeah, you got somebody else. I've been in this predicament. Don't trip, creep the screen. That's just what we dealing with.
Just to put it down.
And just like that, our juice is finished. Now I'm pouring them in the bottles to get them on the fridge so that they can chill and I can enjoy them being cool and refreshed. If you enjoy this video and this recipe, don't forget to support my channel and stay tuned for more. Right here I'm just showing you guys some of the green juices with some pineapple juices that I made from scratch. If you didn't see that video, please go ahead and check out that video down below.
I want a dude with the wickedest slang.
You want a proper fit? Call me. You want to get your fix? Call me. You want the cheese tricks? Call me.
Baby, who cares? I know you care. Bring it over.